Mastering Tuba Scales, a step-by-step guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of music with an interesting phrase, tuba scales. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about this phrase, this video will clarify what it means and how it's used in context. So, let's get started. Tuba scales refer to a series of notes that ascend and descend in a specific, consecutive order on a tuba, which is a large brass wind instrument. Scales are fundamental to musical training because they help musicians learn the fingerings for notes, develop a good tone, and build muscle memory. For tuba players, practicing scales is essential for mastering the instrument. Scales are not just a series of notes. They are the building blocks of music. Knowing your scales means you can play melodies, understand harmonies, and even create your own music. For tuba players, scales are crucial because they often play the bass line in a band or orchestra, which supports the harmonic structure of the music. There are many different types of scales, but let's focus on a few common ones that tuba players often practice. Major scales, happy and bright sounding. Major scales are used in a wide variety of music. Minor scales, with a sadder and more serious tone. Minor scales add depth to music. Chromatic scales. This scale includes all 12 notes available in Western music, played in order. Practicing scales might seem tedious, but it's very rewarding. Start slow. Focus on the accuracy of the notes, and gradually increase your speed. Use a metronome to keep a steady tempo, and practice regularly. Remember, consistency is key to improvement. We hope this video has been enlightening and has given you a clear understanding of what tuba scales are and why they're so important in music. Keep practicing and exploring the world of music, and you'll find that scales can be both fun and fundamental to your growth as a musician or music enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.